You see where it says A this hotkey? Cut that off. Now put string replace, str replace. Right? Hit F. Put the paste in there, the A this hotkey. Just paste it. You have it. Did you have it? Okay.
No, I didn't have it.
Now here, yeah, just put the tilde.
This one?
Yeah. Now try it again. Yeah. You have to replace the tilde out of it, because if not, it cannot take there is no key on the keyboard called, tilde control. That doesn't exist. Does that make sense?
So we just fix this.
Yeah, you have to fix both. But again, this is not gonna help. No, you took one additional per parenthesis. Remove that. Go back. Control Z.
Okay. Yeah, like this one.
No. Go back. Yeah, just you took the one on the left. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, now you can just paste.
I copied that.
Oh, you could use the Windows V to get the last thing. It's okay. There you go. So show me what Rufaydium looks like, by the way. Yeah, so.
Oh, okay. So this is how it looks like. By the way, I was working on V1 and V2 together. I was looking in V1, so I add an extension to color the tab.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I add the extension, the R extension. I had idea in my mind, so I looked for the extension and I got to the.
Yeah, and there was one. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's awesome.
Color. I cannot find it. Why? Did it go? Oh.
Tabs color. There it is.
Tabs color. Yes.
Yeah, I see it. Awesome.
So, like I did this, as you said.
Yep.
And
awesome.
And there was so much extra code inside this class.
Really? Ha!
Yeah.
Because you have to do some DLL code?
No. I was doing the switch case at both.
Oh, your internet just left.
Sorry, Isaias, my PC.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you again.
Okay, so
Your computer kind of like goes away.
yeah, I got disconnected,
Yeah, that's okay.
and
Yeah. So you were telling me that you were having troubles having the switch statements on the WDM. Why?
no, I was not having switch statement. I was doing extra coding. You know, I changed a bit the way Rufaydium works.
Uh-huh.
Like there's a bit. I deleted the. So before it was like this. It's not working. I don't know why.
No, you have to open it with Paint.
It's showing 0 KB. I don't know why.
Maybe if you look at the older version.
Actually, yeah. Let me show you. Inside this one, why this is something like this? This is 2 and this is 1. Now I can understand this. Okay, as you can see, we are doing one driver here.
Yeah.
And we are doing switch statements.
Yeah, after the driver is loaded, which is weird, really.
Yeah, and now we have to use the switch statement, and in this function, the run driver class, we are doing
the switch drive. I saw it there.
Like same switch statement.
Exactly. You see, exactly. You noticed.
I was doing that again. This was the whole extra coding, saving the variables and using them. A lot of the variables are extra working. So
right. So then you put that out. Yeah.
Yeah. I just rethink about how it should work. Then it should load the capabilities first, and within the switch statement, it should load the driver.
Not really. I would do it another way. So let me request control for a second.
Okay, can have it.
Yeah. So what I would do is just have a variable called driver here. And this, I do it once down here, but in here, I will just call driver. So basically, each of them loads the capabilities, unloads the driver like this. That's what it does, right? Yes, so then you will have this. Let me just put it down here.
No.
I know.
You have to choose the code too.
Yeah. Hold on, give me a second. But this one would be. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it would be like you would load the capability here, but then the driver variable tells you what the driver is for that thing. And then here, you just call it once. That's it.
But the port is
different.
Yeah, should be changed for every switch state.
Okay, yeah, then you just do that too. So you just have a port. So you just have the here and the port.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you just put the number there, and in here you just call the port.
15, yes.
Right. So yeah, generally what you do is if you have a switch statement and they all end in the same
same way.
Right. So if you have it like, I would even put this in, hold on, like this. Hold on. Check this out. I would do it like this. Chrome capabilities. Yeah. So the action is exactly the same.
But
And actually, you don't need that, right? You can put it right. Yeah, you can put this right here. And then you don't need this part. Yeah. So basically, if you have an action, right, that it repeats over and over again, the switch statement does the selection of the stuff. But then the action, you just do it once. That's how I usually do it.
Yes.
So the switch statement just has the variables, and the action is performed only once.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's cool. That looks better and actually is cleaner. And if I have to change something, I just have to change it down up here. I don't have to change down there. So if later on you rename your function, instead of run driver, you call something else, then you would call it in a different way. That's it. Now run driver, that looks like, is that a function by itself?
It's a library.
Uh-huh.
It's a library that downloads the driver and
Okay, cool.
web driver.
Oh, it's a class. Okay, I got it.
Yeah,
all right.
It's a class.
All right, cool. That's weird. I don't know why it's not actually saving it as a class.
It's not saving it as a class?
Yeah, you see this color, this green color tells you that it is a class.
Yeah, I have so many issues with this. Let me show you. In session, and I have to, you see, I have to.
Yeah, it's not loading it.
Step.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not loading it. Why?
Oh, no, I know why. I know why. It has to do with how the project is loaded. Right. I know. I think it is because of how the project is loaded. You see these include files here?
Yes.
Are only read in this file. But look at that. It says COM object is not a class. That's weird. Your code installation seems to be corrupt. Please reinstall. You have to do that. You have a problem with the code, VS Code. Just download it and reinstall it. You have a problem with it.
Okay.
For whatever reason.
Like this. It will take time.
Yeah, it will. No, but it seems to be a problem with the installation. Something is up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So in any case, I think you are in the right track, and that downloads the driver and then puts it in, right?
Yeah.
Now check this out. This is interesting because notice how Chrome capabilities have the word Chrome and Google here.
Yes.
I don't think you can change that to Edge, can you? You cannot do that.
No, I cannot do that.
So why are you passing that as parameters? Those are not parameters because they always have to be like that. So
actually,
what other parameters can you pass there?
Let me show the capabilities class. The way it is, you see new here in the main class. And if you go to Chrome, it doesn't have the new.
No.
I have to repeat all that.
Oh, okay, I get it.
I have to create the JSON capabilities JSON.
No, because they inherited. You don't have to write it again.
Yes.
The only thing is, look at that. The map is not right either. Yeah, like no definition. You're missing something, really. There's something missing. That
Yes.
shouldn't be like that. Okay, but in general, yeah, don't worry. I'm not gonna go for it. But in general, what happens is if Chrome capabilities can only be Chrome, that is not a parameter. If it is something that is always the same, what you do is
It's always the same.
it's always the same for that one. Let me do this. For Chrome capabilities,
Yes.
what you
Let's
do
say-
is you create a new function,
Okay.
sorry,
Sorry.
that calls capabilities, so, or return capabilities.
Oh, I got it now. Now I get
Yeah,
it.
exactly. Now in here,
Yeah.
you pass those
Yeah.
parameters, but the person
Yeah.
doesn't have to pass that, you see, because it's the same always. So now for me, for my code here is, yeah, give me a Chrome capabilities thing, and here my code does that for me. That's it. And actually you can then make this a one-liner like this. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. That's cool.
Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's easy.
Yeah, it is. It is just like, yeah, just go ahead and give me that, because basically it's not going to change. You cannot get an edge capability with Chrome. You cannot do
Yes.
that. So putting it in here makes no sense. That's what it is. But that should, so let's stop the code here. Can you test it? Can you run it? Let's see if you get a Chrome capability there.
Like we can do this here. Chrome,
Yeah, you can. Yeah, exactly. You can
Chrome
just add
instance and
Rufaydium.
Radium, and that's all.
Yeah, that's all. Just run it, right? It should stop at the Chrome instance.
It should,
No, something failed.
We have to do V1. That's why it was not loading. Yes.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Yeah, that's why it was not
Right.
loading. And
That is wrong in there. Yeah, exactly. Something is wrong with this one here. Let me take a look.
I have to disable. Sorry.
Hold on. No, you're good. So what do you have to disable?
We can disable it. Actually, I didn't
disable
work
it.
for MSH.
Yeah,
I didn't work for MSH. I just
Oh, right. Okay, I get it. Yeah.
And that's why it's
Yeah. Just hit run now. Right. So now when you do that, check this out. Yeah, step in, right? Is going to go ahead and call the capabilities.
Now we are here.
Is going to do everything. But if you take a look at the options here, should say Chrome.
And
you see?
good.
So
Yes.
it works just fine. And then for us, we just say, give me a Chrome capability. And let me see the other thing that I wanted to say. Yeah, and then you run the driver with your stuff. I think you had another thing up here. Oh, I know what I was going to say. So if we go to the extensions, and you want to keep that tab there for now, you can here go to the settings. And if V1 is detected, then you can just switch to V1 automatically. That's it. So that means that if you open a file that is V1, it switches the language to V1 automatically.
Oh.
Yeah. That's it. So
actually,
now
VS Code has lots of things going on.
Sorry?
VS Code is complicated,
Yeah, it is.
I learn new thing every day, you know, like
I know.
covering the tab. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, there you go. That's it. You just, I remember that there was another line in here. I don't know what it was.
Oh, let us look into the old library, and
It was two things. It was the,
actually, if there is no capability, it will load the simple capability.
right, okay.
Yeah, the simple capability load with the minimal
Check
configuration
check this
of
out.
yes.
Right. So at this point, what you do is copy that. Let's go to the other one. And you have here default.
Okay.
So default is when you haven't selected none of those. Now, what I'm noticing is this instance already comes with Chrome. So let's make it simple, maybe. And this is going to be the default. That's it. So you can.
Actually, there are so many drivers in the future they're gonna be, or
Yeah,
maybe there are, we don't know. So
right.
we got the major ones. If we
Right.
cannot find any driver and it's some new driver introduced here and it's placed in the bin folder, then it will load the simple.
Right. So this is the default action when I don't know what you chose.
Okay.
So if you say like, if you call this with new driver, something weird, let's say Safari.
The bin file, we need the bin file.
No, I know. But here's the thing. If you call it with Safari, what is going to happen here, you will see, is that, oh, exit. So what happens here is that the instance is Safari,
Yes.
but it doesn't find it in none of the ones that you have created. So it jumps straight into the default. Right. So it loads that, and you can then load the driver, whatever driver.
The minimal capabilities that gonna work for every driver.
Right, exactly. That's it. But you can have a default thing. That means if it is not one of the ones in here, if it is not one of those, then go ahead and load this. That's the default one.
Yes.
Now, the problem with that is that if you have one that is not selected, you have to choose the bin file, which I don't know where you have it.
Actually, for manual driver, we are supporting these driver for download. But if there is a new driver, it will not be downloaded, and you have to put into the bin location manually.
Right, exactly. So then you have to do.
For example, we name the Chrome driver with some other driver, and we introduce it here.
Right. Okay, hold on. Give me a second, by the way. Chrome driver. So now here, what you will have to do is a
we have to give the
box. You give it a message box. Please where to save the driver or whatever. I don't know what you're going to do, but in here you can give the a user message. Hey, we don't have that driver. We're going to download it and select it or whatever, and then we do that.
We can throw error here to place the driver.
We'll see how we're going to do that. But for now, leave it blank. So you would just not have this for now, because that's a thing that you have to figure out how you're going to download a driver that you don't know.
Well, we cannot download the driver we don't know.
Well, there might be a way, because, for example, it is not that you have an infinite amount of browsers. You can get a list of all the browsers and get a list of all the all the drivers. So you can get a list of all the drivers. So you can go to Google, say list of all web drivers, and then you have a full list of what you can get, and that's it. And they have to choose from one of those. Yeah, there you go, like that. That's it. You cannot get more than that.
Event firing WebDriver?
Yeah, for example.
Support majority of browsers.
This one, so this one here, event firing WebDriver, might be the default one. You see what I mean? That might be the default. So download that one. And if so, give me. This is what you have to do. Oh,
sorry.
Hold on, no worries. What you have to do is, if you didn't choose one of the ones that we know about, then download right. That's what you have to do. If it is one that I don't know about, then download this one, which is the kind of like the general one, and set the simple capabilities. That's what you're gonna do.
Okay.
But your run driver, I don't know how you download the stuff.
Actually, for Chrome, there is a server for Chrome. There's a server for MS Edge. There is another server, another way. All web drivers are downloaded with different URLs and different techniques. Like, yeah, you can
But you pass the driver here as event firing, and your run driver class should know how to download that one, and that's it.
Okay.
But that's what I would do, because in general, it looks like you can.
Event firing driver will be complicated because it supports majority of the drivers, and it should have all the options like for Chrome.
Yeah, but it's different. It's not. No.
For
It is
Firefox, it will
no. It's not that. It's not doing that. It's something else. Is that they sent events to the browser.
Event firing driver.
So the capabilities for Firefox is not firing events. Is firing is connecting.
Connecting to the browser. Yes.
Right. But this one is that you're sending a send event to that browser.
Okay.
It's not the same. It's not doing the same as these guys at all. And it's not going to have the same capabilities at all. I would definitely go with simple capabilities, and then it's going to be firing events.
Okay.
But basically, that's what I would do. If it is one that I don't know about, I would download the event firing, set the capabilities to simple, and hope that it works. That's what I would do.
Yeah. And I just added the previous ability to get the session, all the session.
Perfect.
And we can get existing session by URL and
I
by
have a
title.
question for you.
Yes.
Can you send an HTTP request to the browser without having the web driver?
We have to use the WebSocket, not the HTTP request.
Oh, so you can do it with the WebSocket, but not with the HTTP request.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Because WebDriver takes care of the WebSockets, and you know the Chrome HK having the issues with
I know.
WebSockets. Yeah. So that's why Rufaydium uses the WebSockets from the WebDriver, and the WebDriver actually is dedicated for the specific browser, and the support is very good.
Perfect. All right, that looks good. That looks like he's going in the right direction. So the one for Chrome is working, so I should be able to use Rufaydium and do Chrome then.
Yes, you can do Chrome. For example, it was default Chrome here.
Yeah, but now the simple one should be the default because you don't know if the person does that.
Page.
No, be careful. Be careful. Hold on. Go back
Why?
here because the switch statement is case sensitive.
Oh, okay.
Chrome like that, unless you put here false. If you make it false, then it is not case sensitive, but it is case sensitive by default.
Okay, let's just do this, and we have to let it this here.
Yeah, that's okay.
Page Chrome new session and page dot URL. Sorry. Message box for wait.
Don't you have like a wait for load or something like that? Page wait load?
No. For example, it message will be thrown after the page loading.
Okay.
That's how WebDriver works.
Okay. It actually, yeah. Okay.
Actually,
Right.
No, we did something wrong with the capabilities.
No, because it says capabilities.cap. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, actually.
Hold on. When you get an error like this, you can hit pause and it jumps to that line. So right here, you have the capabilities, but it doesn't have the cap. I don't know why.
Yeah, it should have.
Hold on.
Capabilities.
Give me a second.
It is not.
Give me a second. Right. Let me see something. Here you can see where you got it from. So you got from here. So the new session didn't get. So
actually, let me guide you where it's from. It's inside the capabilities.
This here probably failed here.
Yeah, actually we changed.
Right. Yeah. So let's take a look at that. I think it's because
let me show you here. We just use this one new. That's why. And here we are doing this. Actually, this.
Because you're using this keyword. That keyword now refers to an object that doesn't exist. That's what happens. I never use the this keyword unless but here's the problem. Let's do this. Hold on. So here, this refers to Rufaydium. Now, when we enter into Chrome capabilities here, capabilities is a class called capabilities. Now we go in there. Now this refers to capabilities. You see, that's the problem with the this thing. So options is going to be the options that you passed. That's okay. Then this should create a map. Now that is in this is on capabilities, right?
Yes, it's on capabilities. That's why I didn't use the new.
No. So that's no, it's not the new. The problem here is the this keyword. Because this right now is referring to an instance that is not what you're referring to. So hold on, let me see, hold on. You set all the options for capabilities, right?
Now we return to the Chrome capability.
Out, when we go out, Chrome capabilities doesn't have that, you see?
Yes.
Because this is now referring to this. So what you should do is this dot capabilities equals that. That's what is missing. So let's do that now.
Really?
Yep. Now, if I go back up, this here should have the capabilities, you see?
Yes.
But it has the capabilities inside the capabilities. That's not what I want. Hold on.
You can return.
Yeah, I was returning it. Hold on. The problem here, the problem is that this keyword, that's the problem.
You can return this, I think.
Yeah, sure. I can return this. Right, so let's do this. Hold on. But then it is not a one-liner. It is a two-liner.
Yeah. We can sacrifice a line.
But hold on, where is that being set now?
We did that.
No, so capabilities itself, hold on. Capabilities, which is up here. Ah, okay, yeah. So this one becomes this. The problem here, you're extending a class, right?
Because we can use the multiple function from the same.
Right, yeah, it's not that. What I'm thinking is, hold on, let me think about this. Give me a second. This should return a capability thing. This creates the capability, but it's not returning it.
Yes, we have to return it.
Return
this.
And then
the one-liner code will work.
Yeah, exactly. This time, this should work. Try it again. Let's try it again. So when I say these capabilities right here, yeah, there you go. So now Rufaydium has a capabilities thing that is a Chrome capabilities. Does that make sense? Yep, now it's working. So, but it is because we was not returning it at the beginning, but that's good. So now this should work fine. Yeah.
Next.
And if I let go, oh, what? Chrome capabilities doesn't have a cap?
Yeah, it has to return the capabilities, not the Chrome capabilities. And that would.
What? Hold on. That is returning a capability.
Yeah, but not the Chrome capability.
Ah, that's so weird. Now, this is returning, but it said it there. Look at that. It has the cap. And I'm returning that with the cap. Hold on, let me, hold on. This doesn't make any sense. Hold on.
Can we try for the code it was before?
Yeah, we will have to do that. But give me a second. Let me try something.
And you will look into the,
I want to verify this here
you,
says capabilities. And hold on. This is the capabilities.
yes, it should have cap, but it's Chrome capabilities.
Is it? Oh, so the Chrome class should set the cap, not the Rufaydium one. So here at the top,
Then it should set both the option and the caps.
okay. Yeah, I'm telling you, the problem here is the this keyword, because this keyword refers to the instance of the capabilities class, which is not what you want.
Yes.
Well, yeah, sorry, you want the capabilities class, not the this. So you will
But
see.
in the previous way, we are getting that.
Right, yeah. So let's go back to the other code and then we will figure it out. But the problem is, I get the point. It's just doing it the other way around.
Yes. Can I change it to
Yeah,
the
go
older
back.
version?
Yeah, yeah. Go to the other.
We just have to disable this.
And then put it outside. Yeah.
Copy this and
Mm-hmm.
put where it,
Here at the top. Yeah.
yes, here. Now it should
Right.
work.
Hold on.
What's going on?
Hold on.
Why?
Yeah, hold on. Because Chrome capabilities extends capabilities, and capabilities does have that. So is that an error? Hold on.
Oh, my VS Code is.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's VS Code that's telling you that it's wrong.
Yeah.
So this guy is a Rufaydium class with capabilities that now
With
have
cap.
other things with cap in it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. I will fix that later on. And that's, let me see what the, hold on, view. Oh, well, here it says problems.
Line 25. But
Yeah, because you don't have a new thing, but that's okay. No, the problem is your Chrome capabilities, but it's extending the other one. So if you just reload, let's see what happens.
it will clear the issue. I just
It should.
Yeah, it will.
Shouldn't be a problem there. But your code installation seems to have a problem, it says. Yeah, now it's not showing that error. Okay, cool. So now if you run the code, let's take a look at it. It's launching. There it goes.
And
there.
after the loading the page, finishing loading that, it should. That's
Yeah.
okay, but yes.
All right.
No, not close it. Actually, what it does, you see, driver is running in the background.
Yeah. Oh, you have to call quits.
Yes.
Yep. Okay.
And even if I close the driver, you see, actually, let me close all this. Still, there are Chrome instances.
Okay. Okay. So that clears everything. Yeah. Okay. I get it. You have to go to the top.
Yeah.
There it is.
But driver is running.
Yeah.
Let us close this for now. Let me show you how we get existing session. Like we create a session and let's have here the automators.
No, without the S.
Without the S. Okay, like this. And we can get now driver is running in the background, and we can do is Chrome dot get session by URL
Okay, awesome.
and page, and we can have page title.
Okay, so you can connect to the running instance.
Yes.
That's perfect. Okay, hold on.
Why?
No, pause it, pause it, pause it. At the top. Pause. Right, so page, what did you get for the page? Hold on.
Page is empty because it didn't find.
Ah, okay, it didn't find it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it didn't find. Let
All right.
me check why. It's loading.
www. Yeah, www maybe.
Now it will find it.
Yeah,
You see,
there it goes. Yeah, perfect. That's awesome.
and it's very fast.
Awesome.
And-
So I will play with this later, and I will let you know.
And it will switch the tab.
Oh, it does. Okay.
You see?
Yeah, awesome. All right. That's perfect. I will go ahead and play with this. Hopefully I will make it better for one of the scripts that we have, because we're having a lot of automating that.
And there is a complicated class, the element class.
Yeah.
I told you before that it's actually based on the JavaScript, and all the functions are based on the JavaScript, not these one, the shadow element.
Yeah, I need that because part of
and
what we're trying to do is going to be a problem.
children and parents.
Yeah, perfect.
And this is the script is executing again and again, like
Cool.
like
Awesome.
this.
Yep.
Click and set, get, and call.
Awesome. Perfect.
We can try any JavaScript with element, like element dot something, like element dot, and everything which is not in the function will be called as a JavaScript into the console, Chrome console, DevTool console. Sorry.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, and it will return the that error if we pass some wrong stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, the JavaScript error we get. Yes.
I'll check on it. Okay. So let's stop right here. I think we have 10 more minutes to go, but I think we saw, because I want to kind of like take a look at it and see how long did you push this to the GitHub upstream or not?
Yeah, it's a private
no, I know, but you pushed it, right?
Yes, and it's available here in libraries, Joe. But Joe was telling me to put it in the main folder out here. We will move it whenever he tells me.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna do that. It's here.
All right, cool. So let me go ahead and take a look at it. I will also, one of the scripts that I have to work on, I want to push a little bit to see if I finish it today, and we're good to go. Perfect. So focus on the draw arrow. On the draw arrow, what you have to do is make sure that the hotkeys work.
Okay.
And that you can change the hotkey to whatever you want. So if you change the hotkey to something else, it should still work.
Like setting hotkey?
Yeah, but first make sure that whatever you put as a hotkey works.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we'll talk later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.